Making our customers happy is our number one priority, so when one of them writes us an awesome 5-star review, well, we love to share it. In short, it's always been our prime objective to make our customers happy, so when they write feedback like this and specifically mention the great customer service they received, it makes us feel like we're meeting that objective. Find out what makes our customers so happy and why they value our extensive knowledge and experience, and how we earn their glowing reviews. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're only one call away from serving you.